Yo, if you get on your hands and knees like this, bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee and extend your arm and leg like this, you're teaching your body how to stay stable when doing everyday things like walking, carrying things, or reaching for things in high places. The bird dog looks simple, I agree, but it plays an important role when it comes to developing core strength, stability, balance, and great posture without even touching one damn weight. So remember this: consistency over perfection.